Lovelies, do you want to dress your kids with a style without breaking the bank? You know, December is right the corner. All right, so stick in because you're going to learn whole lots in this video, how to import high quality kids clothing from China and discover the secret to finding these best suppliers. And guess what, guys, I'll be dropping my top 4 hot verified kiddies supplier right in this video. All right, you know, when you talk about kiddies wears, these wears are super excited. And some person might say, are you sure China have the best wears? Yes, these suppliers I'm dropping here, their quality are top notch. I've bought from before and I have received, so I'll be showing on my screen. I've received and they're exactly what I ordered versus what I got. So that's why I'll be dropping the supplier's contact so you don't fall victim. And guess what, when I'm talking about China suppliers contact, sometimes when you go to someone might say button 1688 you can see clothing. I will advise you that when you're talking about kids wears or clothing, I beg, please don't go to 1688. Sometimes you buy from them and they give you rags. So that's why Jennyceo have, we've tested and we've tested the suppliers, and right here now we are dropping the legit suppliers so you don't import rags thinking you're importing clothes, because I've passed through that before. Yes, I saw a supplier, I went to the app 1688 trying to import kids wears, and the price was so cheap, and and they said their MOQ, when you talk about MOQ means minimum order quantity, and I said that MOQ was 15 pieces, and I said that 15 pieces is too small now, because I also run the biggest period that group. So then one of the group member bought 10, was it 5? I also bought, and so we made up 15. So but I said, let me just bring it in case if it's not good, I'm going to refund the and we'll stop. I love testing things, so I had to bring it in. They gave us what we ordered versus what we bought. I would like to now, what was on the picture was totally different from what I received. So that was when I stopped buying kiddies wears from 1688. That was when I started fetching out. I said I must get a legit kid supplier, an agent, a verified kid suppliers kids wear, so that I don't fall that victim. And lo and behold, I bought this contact huge. I paid huge for this contact, but anything for my YouTube community, you know what I mean, I will give you. So that's why you need to hit that like button to encourage me. If you've not subscribed, you better hit the subscribe button, or most especially hit that like button, because when you hit the like button, it will make YouTube algorithm move the video to more people so they can see and also watch. All right, so hit the like button, guys. Thank you so much. I know you've done that. So now that was when I stopped. I started searching and I bought this contact. Yes, I bought this contact so high, but no problem. And after buying the contact, you know when you're buying contact, you buy from there's some agent that their work is to sell contact, and some of them sell fake contact, but some sell original contact because they don't want to spoil their name. So this person, the people I buy contact from, they are original. So but before I come to bring it to my community, I always try to test. So this time around, because of the things have passed through in the hands of fake, all this sending rags, so I had to get this contact myself. And from now, I don't buy kiddies wears from 1688. Now I buy from my suppliers. Yes, or else the ones I import and I see that they are nice, then I can rebuy from the store. So now when I got the suppliers, actually I got four suppliers contact. Now let me shock you, 3 are on WhatsApp. Yes, 3 are on WhatsApp, 1 is on WeChat. So but I'll be displaying everything here on the group. But one thing is that they don't have a WhatsApp group. What you do when you chat them up, hello friend, I would love to see this. I'm telling you how to chat them. Hello friend, I'm Jennyceo. I would love to see your catalog of clothing because I'm into clothing business, kids clothing business, so I would love to do business with you. I'm glad and I'm waiting for your response. Just look for something professional, send to them. Then the next thing they will do is they'll reply you as, okay, you're welcome friend. The next thing they'll ask you your country, you can tell them. Then the next thing, and this is available worldwide, so not only Nigeria, so you tell them, okay, they'll wait for you. They'll send you a what they call catalog. That catalog is where all the samples of their wares are in and the price tag on it. So the price tag on this clothing are dollar and yuan. Yuan is China currency, but actually myself, I love paying them with yuan because I feel yuan is a bit cheaper when you exchange it than dollar. Dollar is a bit on the high side, so they will give you this too, so you'll be the one to select exactly what you want. I selected yuan, then I bought. And the beautiful thing about these people, they have the biggest factory. When you see they will show you their factory, they will show you their wholesale shops, so you don't think you are not buying from these people. Are not resellers. Do you know one thing about 1688? This 1688, some of them buy from these factories and they will come and resell, and it becomes expensive. So from this factory you can get this kids clothing, beautiful clothing at very cheap rates. Or I'm telling you, when she told me the price, I was amazed, and I told my group, I don't add so much. The price I even told my group, they were like, Jenny, are you sure this price is for this clothing? Some of them were scared. Are you sure they're not going to send rag? I said no, I paid high to get this contact, and the people I paid told me this is main factory, main wholesalers contact. So but before I now start ranting, I said, let me bring it in first. And guess what, guys, who bought? And I paid using yuan. I use Alipay. You can pay them direct, no fear. Yes, they are legit, so I had to pay them direct using I paid using Alipay, and immediately I sent my shipping company address, and boom, she delivered to the shipping company. Shipping company notified me and said your goods are ahead, and I asked them to ship to Nigeria, which they did, and I received it. I received the clothing. Oh my god, when it came, one of my group member was in my place to help me, because sometimes she do help me, unboxing and stand. So she was there, and she also bought 4 for her kids. So everybody was like, are you sure this will come out nice? Are you sure this will come out nice? Are you sure this will come out nice? I said, calm down, it will. So when we open it, exactly as seen, no comma. All my group members that collected, they were so happy. So that's why right here I'll be dropping their contacts. So feel free, chat them up and do business. So if in case you want to open a kids store, a kids boutique, then you're good to go. So this is the contact right on my screen. This is the first contact on my screen. She's on WhatsApp. You can chat her up. Then this is the second contact right on my screen. She's on WhatsApp. You can chat her up. Yes. So then this is the WeChat contact right on my screen. So if you have WeChat, you can also chat this person up. You can send her message and save. She save your contact. You save her contact. Then you can start, viewing her moment to see what she's posting. All right. That is how. Telegram, that is how we chat. All right, so now this is the last one, the last contact. This last contact I've bought, and I bought from her, so tested and trusted. Yes. All right, I think I've shared it. So if you've not liked this video at this point, if you've not subscribed at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Encourage me to dish out the best. Do you hear me? All right, so you can also share the video. So also my next video, this is for kiddies. My next video, I'll be giving you contact for adults. Yes, adults wholesale clothing. So just get ready. hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that once I post that video you immediately adventure into it. There is money in clothing business. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. And if you want me to drop any other contact, please do well to drop on the comment section the kind of contact you want me to bring right in my next video. See ya.